Yeah, I got another beautiful cantaloupe. The Hale family sent this over. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, a summertime treat. Straight out of my backyard. Let me show you what I've got here. Yeah, I got another beautiful cantaloupe. The Hale family sent this over. And I'm just going to cut into it. I've taken and washed the dirt off of it. I've cleaned it, in other words. Just take a knife, and I've had it in here for about 2 days. It's beginning to smell really ripe. Oh God, it smells like honey. And it's not a honeydew, but it has the smell of honey. These are so easy to clean, especially when they're ripe like this. You just take and spoon the seeds out. I'll pour them out in the trash can here. You can eat these a lot of different ways. You can peel the peeling off the outside, or you can literally have this as a meal. Put your salt, pepper, whatever seasoning you want on it, and just eat it out of the shell. But I'm going to take and cut it up and smaller pieces. And take the hide off of it. Easy serving that way. I love this stuff as a snack. Matter of fact, I was hungry and I came in here to my fridge and emptied bowl. I had some in here, so it's time to refill. Get this other one. It doesn't matter if you can cover either side. I've still got a few seeds in this one. Depends on, it's your preference. You want to take and slice it from the back side like this. I know surely every man knows how to do this, but just in case, keep your fingers out of the way. Boy, it smells so good. Now this has not been refrigerated. Get my little knife here. Let me sharpen my knife just for a second. I'll show you how to do it. Now this is an Arkansas stone. It's a kit. It's coarse on one side. These are diamond blades. Oh yeah, Smith. Diamond blade over here. It's coarse. This is fine. I've used this pretty good bits, but it needs to be tuned up to do this fine fillet work, to fillet this meat. I don't want to lose any. Yeah, it's getting there. Pretty good, pretty sharp. Let's see here. You can do this with a paring knife. It don't matter, whatever you feel comfortable doing with. You can see it. Just get my paper out of the way here. And I've got this setting on a plastic cutting board and a couple of pieces of a paper towel. Easy cleanup like that. Yes, my hands are clean. I cleaned them when I washed the cantaloupe. I say it doesn't take any time to peel this I just call this filleting, just like you're going to fillet a fish out. So it's a cantaloupe hide. We're cutting these in halves. It's a perfect thing to share. One more piece and I'm done. It'd be that magic time. Y'all know what magic time is, don't you? Magic time for a cantaloupe. Oh, I'll show you here. Get these in here. Get my hands dried. Here's magic time. A little salt, Himalayan pink salt. Boys, that's just awesome. Nothing like a homegrown tomato, watermelon, or cantaloupe. Everything else is good out of the garden, but those three items right there, man, they just take it over the top. Great memories for the old dude. So it's always good. Anyway, thank you for being part of my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, hit that notification button, and share my videos and comment. How do you eat your cantaloupe? What do you like on them? And do you even like cantaloupe? Some people just do not like cantaloupe. I'm not sure why, but anyway, let me know. See y'all in the kitchen again.